Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing another wig review for Unice hair. They sent over goodies as usual. They always send over some nails and just extra stuff that you may need, and they also sent over their robe. I love their robes. They sent lace tape and also the removable adjustable strap. So this is the wig that we're going to be trying on today. This is the 7x5 glueless side part jerry curl wig. It is 12 inches. I just went ahead and added the adjustable strap so that it can lay nice and flat. Since I'm going to be wearing this glueless, I'm just showing you guys up close the lace. They did a really good job of pre-plucking and everything is already done for you. And then I'm just showing you guys how they have the C shape around the ears, and I'll show you guys when I put it on how it looks. It makes it so that it's really comfortable to wear the wig and it really fits your head. And also I'm fixing the adjustable band or strap that they have that's already connected to the wig that helps it so that it can be customizable and it'll be the perfect size for your head. Now I'm just adding my lace tint spray to the lace so that it can match my skin tone perfectly. This is the Ebin lace tint in the darkest brown color, and I'm just applying that with my foundation brush, and I'm just showing you guys what that looks like. It have plenty of lace space on this wig, and then I'm going to just be putting the wig on. So this is what it looks like when I put it straight on. I'm gonna cut off the excess lace. Now I'm gonna add my wax stick around the part area so we can make that nice and flat and smooth. Then I'm gonna go over it with my hot comb. Then to customize it a little bit more, I'm going to add my foundation color as well. So I'm adding that like right along the hairline so it can be a seamless match. Now I'm going to activate the curls. Like I said, this is the jerry curl hair and it's 12 inches. So I'm just going to spray that with water all over and really saturate it. Now that my hair is saturated, I'm going to add my mousse, and I'm adding that from like the roots to the ends of it. So I'm really add in a lot of mousse because I want it to, like, the curls to really pop, and then I want them to stay in place. So this is what it looks like with the mousse, and the water is nice and saturated. As you can see, the curls are popping. So you could definitely let it air dry, but I didn't want to wait, so I'm just using my blow dryer on like medium heat, and then I'm just blow drying and making sure not to manipulate the curls too much or anything. And then I also like doing it like this because it gives it a little bit more volume. Okay, so my hair is completely dry. This is what it looks like. As you can see, the curls, the ringlets are so pretty and they're popping. So I'm gonna give it even more volume. So I'm using my comb, or you can use a pick, but I didn't have one on hand. But I'm using my comb to pick the roots. And this is what it looks like when everything is all done. So freaking cute. It's so cute. Like, the curls are just so cute. I love the style of this wig. It has like the C part on it, and I'm just giving you guys up close. Look at the hairline. Like, it looks so nice, and yes, it is completely glueless. So with me using the adjustable strap that was already on the wig, and then the one that's removable to make it as tight as I want to, that really helps so that it can fit to my head shape. And then I'm showing you guys the ear part, and that makes it really comfortable to wear this wig. And then I'm just gonna try on a pair of shades to show you guys. You can even wear glasses with this wig. You don't have to worry about, like, see, y'all see that? You don't have to worry about your glasses being all messed up on the side because you have that ear space, which is perfect. So I would definitely recommend this wig. This is perfect for the summertime. You don't have to worry about like being super hot with your hair all, you know, down your back, on your neck, and all of that stuff. This is out of the way, and it's comfortable. It fits to your head. The lace looks impeccable. It blends so nicely. They did a really good job of customizing this wig. I absolutely love it. So if you guys like this wig or any other wig from Unice Hair, I will definitely have the links and everything down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.